I want to keep things a little healthy today. You know, we got some baked salmon with a side of asparagus. Let's get to it. It's JB Sutton Hands. So we got our salmon here. I went ahead and preheated the oven to 375. You can notice I left the skin on. Um, there's a reason for that. We'll get to that later. I'm using a 3 spice blend. I like to call it a Cajun trio. We got a little bit of Blackened Seasoning, some Cajun Seasoning, Old Bay. We're gonna start out with a little bit of salt and pepper though. Just get the outside of that. All right. I like to turn on this size too. Hit that with a little salt. See, I like to keep the plastic on my cutting boards. I don't want that fish, seep into the wood. It's real wood, so all right. A little bit of pepper. Now for the rest of these, I got one part of each. I'm gonna just put them in one thing. We're gonna kind of do like a little rub. Mix that in with your finger. We're gonna go heavy on this. Yeah. Same thing, turn it on this side. Just like that. Pretty much cover up every inch of that. It needs about 6 ounces of salmon each. Yeah, that's how you want to season. Get that season deep in there. So we got our salmon in our glass bowl. I'm just gonna thinly slice some butter and put it on the top. I don't wanna make this too unhealthy, I wanna keep it healthy as I can. Just put a little bit of butter right on the top. Nothing crazy, y'all. See how thin I slice that? Yeah. Just gonna keep the top moist. That's all I want. Now we're gonna put this in the oven. Let this cook for a little bit, around about 20 minutes. Got some nice, beautiful, fresh asparagus. I love asparagus. Don't take too long to cook. And we're gonna make these nice and crispy with a little hint of flavor at the end. We're gonna start out by just cutting the bottom off of these. That bottom part is a little tough. Just take your sharp knife and just cut the bottom off of these. Throw that away. We're not gonna season this too much. I like to keep it simple. I'm gonna keep the freshness of the vegetables. So I'm gonna just, well, the first thing I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of oil on top of these, just a little bit of olive oil. Cause I want that seasoning to stick real good. So I'm just be real light with it. All right, definitely mix these up a little bit. I wasn't light as I wanted to be, but it's all right. I'm gonna come out with a little bit of salt and some pepper. I'm gonna set these right on top of our pan. I'm gonna come out with a little bit of salt and some pepper. And some pepper. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right on top of our pan. I'll set these right So, just give them a little space. We'll cut our lemon in half. We're gonna squeeze a little bit of that lemon juice on the top. We're gonna pop that in the oven with our salmon. Salmon. Salmon cooked for 20 minutes exactly. I had to let it cool down just a little bit, make it, so I'd be able to touch the pan a little bit. It's still a little hot, but when we didn't remove the skin, watch how this just slides off. Let me just take my spatula. Watch how this slides off. Uh-oh. Slid right off that skin. I tried to plate it pretty. I bust it open right down the middle, so y'all can. Yeah, that's what we're looking for right there. Ooh, let me taste that salmon. See that butter? The butter gonna soak through that meat, you know what I'm saying? Keep it moist, add a little bit of flavor. The asparagus, still got that nice little crunch to it. I'm taking that lemon at the end. As you can see, very quick and simple dish, but with a lot of flavor. Adding that butter on top of that salmon really makes it pop, just like we like it. Like always, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share the video. And thank you for watching. It's JB Sudden Hands.